rules, repetition, regulation. Are we going to stick to the old rules or transcend the limits of tradition? When the industrial thinking track becomes stereotyped in repetition. Transcend to make all the unprecedented ideas come true. Creality as the evangelist of 3D printing industry. We step from the tradition, broke boundaries, and to create a new pattern of innovation. Creality transcends the limits of reality, narrows the gap of family connection, endows better education condition to your children, and makes your dreams shine with the glitter of stars and ocean. Creality guides the future of industry with imagination and innovation. Guide the remarkable challenge from products to industry and witness the generation and blossom of imagination from the past to the future. Creality as the benchmark of the 3D printing industry and the intelligent leader of this era is aiming to bridge the eras and create a bright prospect with our very imagination.